indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, parking sensors, towing package, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.